Hi guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I wanted to um, come on and give you a quick tutorial as I was working this morning on creating some listing images for a product that I was going to be including in my TPT store. So I'm inside of Photoshop, and this is a template that I've set up that allows me to quickly change out the preview images of my products um, here. And so I've set this up, and once I have the images set up like I want them, then I can simply highlight the ones that I want. So I have these already selected, but I can highlight the the artboards and then go over to quick export as PNG and then save it in the folder that I want. And it's going to quickly export those images into my folder there. Um, I wanted to show you also the benefit of using a template like this is that when you click on these images, I can simply click on the image, right click, and choose either relink to file or replace contents. For this one, I'm just going to do the relink to file, and then I'm going to pick a different image in my folder, and then that's going to change that out. And you see how not only it changed on this artboard, but it also changed on this artboard. And that's because when I set up the template, I designed it so that it was a smart object that I duplicated across two of the different artboards. Okay, if I change this image by doing let's do the replace contents on it, and I'm going to do that. And you'll see that that image, when I changed it, it not only changed on this artboard, but also on this one and this one, because that's the way that I set up the template. I can do the same thing. Like I say, you can either relink to file or choose replace contents. And when I do that, boom, it's showing up on those two artboards. And if I'm happy with that, then all I need to do is I'm going to close up my folder for that artboard. And then I'm just going to highlight by holding either my shift key or my control key. I'm working on a PC. And then I can go to quick export as PNG to save those images again. And like I say, because I did the work of setting up this template so that it has multiple artboards, I can easily, if I come in and I say, next month I'm going to work on a winter set of rolling covers, then all I need to do is change out these images, and I can change the color of my text and things like that, and it makes creating product listings very easy. So that's one of the benefits of using Photoshop. uh, you don't have this exact same feature in Canva. While I do use Canva to create a lot of my listings, I do like using Photoshop because I have the ability to create multiple artboards inside of one document and then create um, smart objects across the different artboards, and that way it can populate it for me. So as I was working on that this morning, I just thought that I would show you how I've set up my template, and it might be something that you want to implement in your own business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. And I hope you found this quick Photoshop tutorial tip helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.